Okay, boss. We have a concept called open up destination, boss, which we use it for retraction. So we use this for retraction. When I say you know about extraction, where you extract data from different source to BW. From BW, if you want to send this data out to some other applications, then we use this retraction. The BW nunchi where applications. Generally, in some of the projects, they don't use BEX for reporting. They only use BW as a warehousing solution where they get data from different sources and consolidate all the data. From BW, they would like to take data into Excel and then they want to upload into some other tools and then do reporting. Or they might ask you to update from, because other source, they're not able to touch your cube. Then from the cube, they ask you to place into a table. Then from, they'll touch the table and extract, they will extract data from there. So when you want to retract data back from your providers into file or table or to some third-party ETL tools, then we go with open up destinations. Third-party ETL tool ante from BW, your BODS will take it and then send it to different source. So if BODS has to extract, it can use open up destination. Okay, so yeah. Let's say I have this DSO. From this DSO, I would like to extract, retract, and place into flat file. Yeah. So I go to this open up destinations. I create open up destinations. First them on. So I have this cube. I would like to retract that to a flat file. Right click, open up. I can use this template because when you say open up destination, it is. So when I give this template, because in the open up destination we go to declare this target structure. Means file and file what should be structure of my file, it can be created from this template automatically. You can also say create transformation in DTP automatic good. First let me create normal. Says now see you get this fields automatically. Why? Because I've used my template. Okay, now you want what is your destination, table or a file or from third to a third party tool. If it's a table, like from this cube, you would like to retract to a normal database table in BW, within BW. It's a file, it's a flat file, which could be application server or local desktop. And third party tool, if you want to integrate this to a through BODS, let's say you want to use this open up destination as a source in an ETL tool through BODS, then I can do this. Now this time I want flat file. So automatically what are the destination name we have, it takes the file name .csv there. And if you select this, what happens? Server. Now I want this into my desktop. I won't get into this. Just specify to find CSV, and I want the data separated to be what, comma, okay. And these are the columns. If you don't want, you can remove some of the columns. You can cut, paste. You can move the sometimes my user says I want to file in this sequence only. Then you'll have to move the columns up and down. Pine kindiki dobbi, you can arrange the sequence what you want. So destination is ready. Now what is the source you wanted to use? This cube, right? Now right click on the destination, create trash, and treat destination as another target. And now what is the source? Copa cube. Target is what? Destiny. Open up. That's it. And you'll have transformations. Now if you want some transformations before retracting, can I do start routine, end routine, export and all this? And then next is about DTP. Ante. It's like treating it's like a data mart ante, normal. And delta works based on the request of my cube. So basically when you export that as a flat file, it does form two files. One is data file and one is considered as header file. Data leda. Okay, I'll use this. But you understand the steps with that. There's no data in it, but so if you say create transmission DTP, it does create everything automatically. Set this file. I want this file. See, it creates transformations, DTP, everything automatically. Trick accident. If I go to my desktop, flat files, we are focused on why open 002. This is why open 002 is your data file. S underscore why open 002 is called header file. This is your database data file. And this consists header file which tells you what is the first column, what is second column, but header anta untundi. So you will get two files, data file and header file. Let's say same, I would like to get this to a table. Yeah? Also this time what table, so it automatically forms a table name with this /BAC/OH is open up, and that your open up name. Yeah? And then there's something delete data from table means what? Every time before loading, like full behavior. I want to drop the content and reload if you want. Then I'll select this, delete. Then there's something technical keys. If you say technical keys, the table will get that request number, data packet record number as primary key. If not semantic keys, it will take this key field as my primary key. I'm saying semantic keys, so I don't want technical keys. Yeah. What is my table? /PIC/OH. ఒకటే రాసింది. నాకు తెలిసి అన్నీ ఒకటే కీ ఉన్నట్టున్నాయన్న. నేను టెక్నికల్ కీస్ పెట్టింటే అన్ని రికార్డ్స్ వచ్చేది. So do I get technical keys, data packet record number, and zero. Data mode set in the problem. See, when you're doing DDP for open up, it supports delta. Delta will be on request number. Same on data mode get. Let me run now and see if the data mode is. Okay, get the request number and all this. I'm logging into BODS. Yeah. BODS is a separate ETL tool. Yeah. See, in BODS, there's something called data store concept, right? Which is like source system connection. When you say right click, say new data store, you can create BWS source or BWS target. When you create the data store BWS source, we can use what is open up table. You can give your open up table and start using it. Once you create an open up table, that can be leveraged into this. For example, Mandana connects here, but I can specify the tables and start importing if required. And what are the open up destination if you create it with third party here? System layer connection. దీంట్లో ఫస్ట్ టైము స్లో ఉందని దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళాం. Set as third party. And then this is a field set. Activate. So I just created a destination as third party here. Actually, this BW system is connected as the source here, NSP. See, to get this y open 004 as source. Now you can start creating the data flows and use this as the source object. Getting this? So if you say table, you just placing into table within BW, flat file, application server or local system. If you say third party, that can be used as a source in your third party ETL tools. Okay. And actually, but if you want to use this, see, you could either BW target, only data source can be used as targets. But when you say source, it can use open up. You can BW create this while creating connection, data source connection to BW, you have to specify whether it's as a source, as what? Target. Source and open up as a target and data source.